Hi guys, I'm showing you this oven mitts and pot holders. It's a set of 8 pieces and it can also withstand a 550 degree Fahrenheit heat. It's a heat resistant. Oven mitts and washcloths is a 100% cotton oven glove set with lining for cooking and baking. So you can see a very nice stripe design, very nice handy cotton clothes. So these are the 100% cotton. So two sets, as I mentioned. So with the two different clothes, gray and blue. So gloves, liner, washcloths. So this is really comfortable. I can feel like it goes inside the hand. So this is how it is and it says 100% cotton. Nice design.